road trip, everybody. Road trip, boy. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm at Knollys Tunnel. Yeah, we're at Knollys Tunnel in Tabaquite. Today's a beautiful day. I really had a lot of fun just driving through the area. This is my fun getting from my home area to here, and it's really lovely. I love the country area. So let me show you this. Let's take a little tour to this Knollys Tunnel. So along the tunnel here, sorry, the street way to the tunnel, you're seeing some solar powered street lights. So as you can see here, the sign is saying this tunnel was built in 1898 to enable the railway line from Jermingham Junction Cunupia to Tabaquite to go through one of the hills in the central range. It is 660 feet long and was designed by the then Director of Public Works and Walsh, Wrightson. I shall read no more. So the first thing I want to show you, this is a cashew tree, and this is a cashew. This is what a cashew looks like, the fruit. Cashew fruit, this is the fruit itself. When you bite it, it is sort of a tangy like, and this, oops, oh my goodness, and this part here is where you roast and you actually get the cashew nuts that you get in the stores and stuff. You'll have to crack open this to get the actual cashew, and I picked this in error. Let me just show you what the tree looks like. So this here is a cashew tree. This is where I got this cashew that I picked in error. By mistake. Sorry. So we're gonna go up this way and come around, and then we'll go to the tunnel through this way. My son-in-law says he's gonna walk through. I'm gonna drive through because I heard that there are bats and roaches and stuff, and it smells sort of stinky. So yeah. Okay, I'm at the entrance of the tunnel. Initially I said that I wouldn't walk through, but it looks a little like I'm up to the channel, so we're gonna take a chance. Not me, I'm gonna make an attempt to walk through, see how far I reach. So here I go. What's that? What is it? You look sweet. So vehicle is coming. I'm hearing to the back of me is coming through the Bushly tunnel. So let me just put aside, stand to the side, let the vehicle pass. Again.
As you can see, behind me, I'm about to walk through.
You know you're going.
So you're gonna see us going forward, and I have my phone facing the back of me, so actually see as it is going in how black is going to go. That there is actually what I'm trying to do. At the back of the head, I think this is that one is really much.
Okay. So I turn the camera towards me so we could see what it looks like as I walk. And I'll turn it back a little bit soon so you can see more of the view and the ceiling. And yeah. So far it's not so bad. I'm just about a quarter way through. Really? You afraid of bats? Well, they can't just pass, so they shouldn't come down. So as we get more to the center, as you can see, you can hardly see me. Oh, I don't mind getting scared. Let me go closer to my son-in-law. It's getting dark. So I'm going to turn around the camera now. Should I go any further? Any bats? Are you going to see anything with your... Well, that vehicle have on their lights, and he's coming. What's his problem? Oh yeah, I'm seeing the bats flying. What is this dude doing? Are you seeing the bats? Okay. This is the entrance we came from. Oh, I'm seeing the bats. I'm seeing the bats. Let's go. Let's go. Stop. Wait.
That's why I say it's not so bad. The light shining through that way.
Wait, hold my hand. Right. Geriatric in the house.
I don't know if you can see my mother. I could barely see myself.
You can see me?
You mean on your screen? Oh, you changed the camera?
Seeing the bats a huge amount ahead of me.
This is scary, guys.
You scared?
I can hear them singing.
Thought you were Mr. Brave.
I am. But there's no one on.
Oh, one just passed across.
Yes. So you can see the
A
tunnel.
bunch of friends from us. Okay, so I'm back at the entrance of the tunnel. I decided halfway that I wasn't brave enough to go through the entire tunnel. So because the bus were looking a bit agitated at the other end of the tunnel. So my son-in-law he went through. What we decided to do was I'll just drive through and go all the way to the end. So I'm back, like I said before, at the entrance. So this is what it looks like on the other side of the tunnel. It really smells bad, kind of like a sulfur sort of smell. Again, it's from the bats, but it's mostly on this side of the tunnel you're getting that scent, that smell. I think it's their poop.